Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Spotify application on your Android and iOS, and once the Spotify application is opened up, then you need to open up the playlist that you want to listen. So I will just tap on this first playlist here. So here you can see that we have this playlist here. Okay, so at here the crossing arrows, we have this shuffle. So right now it is green, which means that the shuffle option is turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on this one, but you have to be a premium member of Spotify to turn the shuffle off for the playlist. Okay, if you are using a free version of Spotify, then there is no option to basically turn the shuffle off. Okay, you have to listen the music on the shuffle on. So if you want to turn the shuffle off, then you basically have to purchase the premium plans of Spotify, and then when you have a premium account, then you will just click on this option here and it will turn off the shuffle. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.